Hey friends, I'm going to be showing guys this system. This is a computer admin system for one known as a leave management system. So just like you might have seen, it has got some kind of dashboard this side and got all the stuffs working as expected. So I'm just going to try to log in as admin still and then just verify that and have most of the stuffs done. You can just check those given stuffs. I think you can see whereby if a leave is given, things of that sort. And let me just try to show you something. This is a departments where those stuffs are worked on. You get, and the description, the leave management, all those stuffs for all our staff members. And then if you check here, I'm just going to show you this shortly by coming on here with as employee. So I'm going to just do that as employee. It just takes just 1 minute to explain to you guys how the system works. So shortly as the employee logs into the system, can always like this welcome employee, and if you check here, he has so far one history and that of his leave is rejected. And if you come to apply for leave, maybe it is casual, maybe it's going to be starting from maybe on today, and it's probably going to be ending up on maybe on Thursday. So this is going to be feature leave, you get. So maybe I'm going for wedding, you get, for wedding, not wedding but wedding. So if you definitely come there to apply, I think you can see leave is gone there. And if you can't see here right now, it says leave history is 2, and that's it. So it is pending, it's not yet approved. Let me just log in as a manager to approve that given individual into our system shortly. So if you're interested in such kind of system, please just get to me and inbox my page and then let me know how I can get to reach to you. So let me just try to give in the password as needed, and again I tend to rectify that to you. So as you can see there, it's going to look onto all leaves. These are all leaves. You can see which ones this is approved, this approved, this approved. But pending is one. It has one pending leave. So definitely approved by him or approved. They are those approved. Approved leave. And then if you click on here under pending, this is pending status. If you click there, verify that. I click here, I can reject or whatever. So definitely if you check here, I've already approved that. So the leave still remains 4 because those are all leaves. And then I've just approved the other leave. So if you check here under pending, we have now 0. And then approved, we have now 5. And that's it. If you may see there, we have that into our system. So we have this here, and all those. So those are the leaves, all the leaves, approved leaves. So when you go there, your leave also goes under approved leaves. And this the leave I've just said here. I'm going for burial, I'm going for wedding. So this leave is moving from this, and this the month and all the status. So it's actually active, like you might have seen there. So this is going to be completing soon because left only 2 days for it to get expired. That's why it does so. And it has got different system users. General settings can also change your password, entering the correct first password if that's the case. If you add a fake password of that sort, so you cannot leave the 2 passwords do not really match. And has got also logout session for the user to log out of the system. So my friends who have watched this short video, find interesting and want a video like so, you can always get that. And also guys, you can also join my Facebook page for Node.js or React Natives. Join my class for React Native, and then you'll be in a position to join my other pages like OSP IT Digital Solution on the Facebook page. Join it so that you can be in part of platform whereby you can always be in a position to learn more new things into our page. You can also join our page like maybe web hosting. That's actually OSP web hosting, you get. So you can also join this page of ours where I have always web hosting. and then you'll be in a position to communicate with us and learn new techniques and things with us. You can always join our page and be in part with us into our page. So you guys who are from Uganda, you can also join my page as OSP Pro, and then you get a chance to learn things from me from scratch. And you guys who are from Uganda, you can just go to our website page or whatever part of the country you're in, maybe ospitdigitalsolutions.com. Go to our page and then be in a position to react with us and you learn new few things with us. So guys, thanks for watching this short video. You're watching from YouTube or Facebook, wherever you guys just be in platform to join us. And if you have any project concerning IT, please can always link to us on my description below, and then you can just always inbox me whatever, and then we'll be in position to get each other. Thank you.